friends, welcome to my channel Simple Cooking Foods and Flavors with Delphi. Today we are going to make chicken curry in a very traditional style which is called Agri Chicken Rasa or Agri Chicken Gravy. Please watch the full video because I am also going to show you how I got the dark color of this gravy. So let us quickly go through the ingredients. I'm going to make use of half kg chicken. I've washed it nicely and kept it aside. For spices, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Salt you can adjust as per your taste. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon of Agri Koli masala. This you will get it in the market. 1 teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder, some whole spices and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Next, we have to grind and make a paste of 1 bunch of coriander leaf, fresh coriander leaves, 4 to 5 green chilies, some garlic, ginger, 1 onion and 1 small dry coconut. And both dry coconut and onion I have roasted it well on gas flame. So then this is the secret of the dark color of the gravy. So make sure that you do not skip this process and make sure that you roast it well till it becomes dark. So we are going to grind all this together and make a fine paste and use it for the gravy. Next, I am also going to use 2 large onions thinly sliced and half a cup of oil. As you all know, Agri Rasa is having more amount of oil. So I am going to use 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. But if you want, you can reduce the quantity as per your choice. So let's get started, friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly please subscribe and share it with your family and friends. So friends, let's start making the Agri Rasa. So friends, oil is heated up well. Let's add the onions. Fry it well. So we have to fry the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes till it turns nice golden brown in color before adding the other spices. So friends, onions have turned transparent. I'm going to add the whole spices and salt to it. I'm going to add 2 bay leaves to it. It is optional. Since I have it, I'm using it. So we have fried the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes now. It's turned golden brown. Now add the grounded masala paste. Fry this well. At this point of time, I am also going to add the other powdered spices. So put everything together. Mix it well. So there are various versions of preparing this curry. I make it this way. I like to fry all the masalas well. So we will fry this masala for about another 2 minutes till oil starts separating before adding the chicken pieces to it. So friends, the masala has been fried for about 2 minutes now, and you can see oil has started separating from the masala. At this point of time, we are going to add the washed chicken. You can also add potatoes, but today I am not using any potatoes. I am only going to use chicken. You can add potatoes as well. So friends, for another 2 minutes, we are going to fry the chicken and the masala together so that the chicken is well coated with the masalas. So friends, after 2 minutes of frying the chicken is well coated with the spices. Now I am going to cover this and cook it for another 2 minutes before adding some water to it. So friends, 2 minutes are done. I am going to add 2 cups of water to it. If you want, you can reduce the quantity of water and increase also depending on the desired consistency of your choice. Stir it well. So we will cook the chicken for another 20 minutes now, and in between we'll keep on stirring it. Cover it and let it cook for 20 minutes. It's been 15 minutes now. Let's check the chicken. Yes, the chicken is done. So let's turn off the flame and start serving it. So friends, the Agri chicken rasa is ready. You can try this recipe out and let me know your feedback in the comment section. This curry goes well with plain rice, pulao, roti or bhakri. Quickly make this recipe. If you like this recipe, kindly subscribe my channel and share it with your friends also.